Greetings, shivering denizens. Alone we falter, but together we thrive. In this meditation, we'll explore connection, humility, and the strength that comes when we stand together. Stage 1. Breathing into connection. Close your eyes and take a slow and steady breath in. And then let it go. As you breathe, imagine your inhale drawing in not just air, but the shared life of everyone around you. Friends and family, the community, breathe it all in. Each breath out, release a sense of care back into the world. Inhale, receiving, and exhale, giving. Let yourself settle into this rhythm. Recognize that even your breath is a shared exchange. It's part of a web of life that connects us all. Stage 2. A visualization of unity. Imagine yourself standing in a circle with others. These are people on the journey with you. Some you know, some maybe you don't. Each of you holding hands, forming a strong and unbroken ring. Feel the strength of this circle. Notice how no one has to hold it all alone. When you feel weak, the circle steadies you. Likewise, when others stumble, your presence helps steady them. With each breath, feel the unity of this circle strengthening. It doesn't strengthen through perfection. It strengthens through a shared willingness to show up for one another. Feel at peace in this moment, knowing that you are never truly alone. You're part of something larger, something steady and something alive. The third stage of the meditation, anchoring in humility. Bring your attention to your heart. Imagine it softening with humility. Humility here does not mean weakness. It means recognizing that you don't have to carry everything alone. With each breath, silently repeat, "Together we rise, And in your mind as you exhale, repeat, together we heal. On the in-breath, together we rise. And on the exhale, together we heal. Stay with these words. Letting them take root in your heart. Notice how light your body feels when you are not striving alone, but standing with others. Take one deep, unifying breath in. And release really slowly. Stay where you are, calm and present, while we transition into the reflection. Today's reflection reminds me that both the steps and the traditions are built on humility, and that humility is what makes unity possible. For me, unity isn't always easy. I can get caught up in my own ambitions, my own fears and frustrations, but when I pause and I set those aside and choose the common good, something powerful happens. I find strength not only for myself, but for those around me. And in turn, they strengthen me. So maybe today, ask yourself, where can I set aside ego for the sake of unity? Where can I step into connection instead of isolation? Because the truth is, we stand together or we fall apart. And when we stand together, we find not only survival, but joy, peace, and freedom. Thanks for joining me today, and please keep coming back.